Good morning, students. Today I am going to start new chapter, chapter number 7, that is fractions. Till now you have studied natural number, whole number systems, then integers. Now in natural number, in whole number, in integers you have seen different types of number. In natural number you have seen only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity in positive. In the case of whole number, the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In whole number we include 0, means whole number we can say that the whole number equals to 0 plus natural number. Then comes the negative numbers. When we include negative number in our number system, then the system is known as, that number system is known as integers. Now suppose when we see part of a whole number, suppose 1 is there, 1 is a whole number, but when we will see 1 upon 2, will be fraction. 3 upon 4, 5 upon 2. So we can say when the numbers or digits are represented in the form of a by b or p by q, will be known as fraction. The basic definition of fraction is a part of whole number. What? A part of whole number. Is known as fraction. Now fraction is represented in the form of a upon b. So a known as numerator and here the lowercase number will be known as denominator. What? Numerator and denominator. Understood? Numerator and denominator. Now on the basis of value of numerator and denominator, we can classify a given fraction is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Means types of fraction. There are 3 types of fractions. First, proper fraction. Then improper, and another one is mixed fraction. What will be the definition of proper function? How we will identify a fraction is a proper fraction? When its value is less than 1. When the value of a function, when the value of a fraction is less than 1, then that case, that fraction will be known as proper fraction. And what is the, when will be the value will be less than 1? When numerator is less than denominator. When numerator is less than denominator. A upon b must be less than 1. क्या होना चाहिए? A upon b must be less than 1 means जो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर है उसकी वैल्यू 1 से कम होना चाहिए. और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? n will be, जो न्यूमरेटर है वो किससे कम होगा? डिनोमिनेटर से. n क्या होगा? डिनोमिनेटर से कम होगा. Now moving on, improper fraction. When the value of fraction is 1 or more than 1. When value of fraction is 1 or more than 1, then that fraction will be known as improper fraction. Here n upon d will be greater than 1, means n will be greater than, means numerator will be greater than or equals to denominator. What? N upon d will be greater or equals to 1, so numerator will be greater than or equals to denominator. Now mixed fraction, when a fraction is represented like this, then this fraction is also known as improper fraction. It is a type of improper fraction. Now its value is given by a into c plus b अपॉन सी. जो नंबर फ्रैक्शन के आगे मेंशन है उससे क्या करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करके प्लस न्यूमरेटर को ऐड करके अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर लिख देंगे. जैसे हम 2 अपॉन 3 लिखते हैं तो 2 3 जा 6, 6 प्लस 2 8, 8 अपॉन 3. दिस इज अ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. 9 upon 7 is a improper fraction, but 7 upon 9 is a proper fraction. Now moving in the book, we will see exercise 7.1. What fraction representing the shaded portion? We have given some questions. Question number 1. In question number 1 we have to write the fraction for the representing shaded portion. So I am doing some questions. There are total 10 questions. You do the remaining question. Which one will be left by me? A. Now I have taken 5 questions from the question number E. Now we have to tell how much area has been shaded. Now how we will write fraction in the form of fraction? Shaded region upon total region. So see here 1, 2. Total 2 triangle has been shaded. So 2. And now find the total number of triangle 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. When we will reduce this fraction, it will come 1 upon 2. So for this figure, the shaded region is 1 upon 2. Now see question number 2. For this, the shaded region is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and total square is 9. So for this, shaded region is 8 upon 9 region. Now for this figure, only one portion is shaded and total there are 4 portions, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be the 1/4. Now see here 1, 2, 3. 3 region has been shaded and total region are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 upon 7 will be the shaded region for this figure. Now in this figure you see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are the shaded. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 upon 9 will be the shaded region. So remaining 5 questions you do by yourself. Now moving to question number 2. Color the part according to given fraction. We have to color according to given fraction. In question number 2, we have to say according to given region. See question number 1, we have to see 1 upon 6. So first see the given numerator and count that much portion has been mentioned in figure or not. So here in denominator it is 6, so count there 6 region or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are total 6 regions. So now see the numerator. Numerator is 1. So you have to set only one region. So this will be the shaded region. Any one you can set. Now you see here denominator is 4. So count there are 4 region or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 region, out of which we have to set only one region. Now 1 upon 3, 3. There are only 3 region, 1. So now 4. In 4 you have to set 3 upon 4. Means total 3 region you have to set it. Now here 4 upon 9. So count 9 square there are not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of 4 you have to set it. So question number 2 you have to do in this manner. Now moving to next question. कि आइडेंटिफाई द एरर इफ एनीवन. हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है एरर. So in question number 3, what we have to do? We have to identify the error. What is the error in the given? So question in figure 1, a triangle is drawn and shaded portion has been shown, and we have to identify whether the given shaded portion is 1 upon 2. No, it is not divided into equal parts. So the shaded portion is not in given fraction. No, here shaded region is not represented by actual value 1 upon 4. इसमें 1 upon 4 है नहीं. 1 upon 4 होने के लिए ये वाले लाइन को यहाँ पे मिडिल में होना चाहिए. So the same reason will come for this questions also. What? The same reason will come for this question also. And here 3 upon 4. This reason is not 1/4 of the circle. So again same reason will come. That the second reason represented by figure is not actual value in fraction. Actual value by actual value in fraction. So you write this one. Now we will move to next question. Question number 4. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? In question number 3, we have to represent 8 hours into fraction, and our in denominator will be, we are comparing 8 hours with a day. So in one day, how many hours is there? In one day there are total 24 hours. The time you have given is 8 hours. Understood? Now in fraction, 8 hours will be 8 upon 24 part of day. Why here 24 is? So 8 upon 3, that will be 1 upon 3 part of day. 8 hours will be equals to 1 upon 3 part of the day. Question number 5. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? So in question number 4, 1 hours will be equals to 60 minutes. कितना होगा? 1 hour कितना होगा? 60 minutes. Now 40 minutes has been represented. So 40 upon 60 will be part of hour. So 2 upon 3 part of hour is 40 minutes. So how we are writing? See what information has been given here. In question number 4, this is 4, this is 5th. In question number 4th, you have asked, you have to represent 8 hours into in a day part. So in day there are 24 hours. So 24 will come in numerator and 8 hours will come in numerator. So 8 upon 24, that will be 1 upon 3 part of the day. So this is 1 upon 3 part of the day. Now coming to next, what is the 40 minutes of an hour? So in 1 hour there are total 60 minutes. So 40 upon 60, that will be 2 upon 3 part of an hour. So today we have started new chapter, that is fraction. What I have explained, definition of function and types of function, you must write in your notebook and solve question up to question number 5th of exercise 7.1. Thank you. Have a nice day.